Come on, let's go.
The dance class.
Are you excited about going to your dance class? Come on then.
When I was little, my daddy took me to my dancing class. I'd never been to dance class before.
You're going to the ballet class.
Mummy bought me special clothes to wear. My dancing dress was pink. My dancing shoes were pink and soft.
You look like a fairy tale princess. Right, let's go to the ballet class, come on.
Off we went to the dancing class. Wolly came too. Daddy took me to a big, big room.
You're going to have fun, Tig. There you go, bye. See you later.
Okay. For those of you that are new, my name is Miss Lottie, and I hope you're going to try really hard to enjoy your dance classes and listen to everything that I say. Everybody spread out. That's
Miss
it.
Lottie shouted, "Music!"
Right there. Music, please, Mr. Tonka.
Mr. Honky played the piano.
We're going to be trees, okay?
Miss Lottie shouted, "Trees!"
Stretch up towards the ceiling. All right, and leaves.
Miss Lottie shouted, "Leaves!"
Here and there. Okay, lambs. Now I want you to skip around like baby lamb. Come on.
Miss Lottie shouted, "Skip!"
Lovely. Keep going.
I didn't like Miss Lottie shouting.
Lambs. Keep going.
I didn't like Miss Lottie at all. Me and Wolly sat beside Mr. Honky and his piano. I didn't like dancing class. Hey, Tig, I want to join in the dancing too. Come on. I don't like the shouting lady. Yes, you're right. When teachers shout, it does seem a bit scary. But Miss Lottie isn't shouting at you, Tig. She's shouting so we can all hear her. Whee! Miss Lottie sounds loud when you're close to her.
All right, everybody, we're going to be frogs.
Hey, Tig, did you hear that? She wants us to be frogs. I love being a frog. Hey, Tig, look at me being a frog. And crouch, and hop, and crouch, and hop. Ribbit, ribbit.
Legs up into the air. Bicycle time. And pedal.
Pedal, 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 whee!
Horses. Right, gallop and trip.
Hey, Tig, she wants us to be horses. Clip, clop, clip, clop, clip, clop. Trot, 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 trot. Yee-haw! Phew, Tig, that was so much fun. I'm pooped. Your turn. But the shouting. Tig, Miss Lottie has to shout so you can hear what to do above the music. Then I thought, Mr. Honky's piano is very loud, and I don't mind that. Whee!
To the side.
So I don't mind Miss Lottie shouting. I joined in. I had such fun. I galloped. I was a snowflake.
Now flap your arms and flap.
A butterfly. I did kitty cat crawls. I skipped. At the end of the lesson,
And stop.
Miss Lottie said that I was going to wear the crown.
I'd like to present this lovely crown to Tig. Today was Tig's first day.
And became a fairy princess.
Princess Tig. Lovely.
I like Miss Lottie. I like dancing too. And I love Wolly. We've been together since we were wee. The fun fair. When I was little, my mummy and daddy took me and my friend Angel to a fun fair. Wolly came too. Inside it was very, very big. Inside it was very, very noisy. I've never been to a fun fair before. Angel liked the fun fair. Angel was excited. Light flashed. Roundabouts went round and round. Chairs flew up in the air. People were bounced up and down. Noises came from everywhere.
Right, girls, what ride do you want to go on first?
Angel wanted to ride on everything.
Who wants to go on the alligators?
Me, shouted Angel. Mummy took Angel on the alligator. I watched with Daddy. The alligator whooshed and whooshed. Angel squealed. Angel loved the alligator. It was very, very noisy. Who wants to ride in the dodgems? Said Mummy. Me, shouted Angel. I didn't want to ride in the dodgems. They were too noisy. Mummy took Angel on the dodgems. The music went boom, boom, boom. The dodgems bumped and bashed. I didn't like the dodgems. Angel loved the dodgems. Angel wanted to go on the teacups next.
You want to go home, Tig? I know. Let's go and wait in the cafe for Mum and Angel.
Daddy took me to a little cafe.
There's your juice, Tig.
I wanted to go home.
Hey, Tig, funfairs are noisy. Funfairs worry me too. I never know where the noises are coming from. Music, squeals, whizzing and whirls. I never know which way to look next. Hey, Tig, funfairs are fun places and you can have fun here too. I like to know where all the different noises are coming from. Doof, doof, doof. Look, that's the rock and roll music from the dodgems. Wee, woohoo, way! Those squeals are from the flying chairs. Honk, honk, ting, ting, diddly, beep, bob, zob, zob, ding, ding, wee, wee. That's the little roundabout. The glittery, clattery noises is the cup and saucer. Hey, Angel's having fun. That dancey music is from the carousel roundabout with the horses. So now you know where the noises come from. Have fun. What's first? Doof, doof, honk, honk, diddly ding, woo, woo.
Now I knew what all the noises were. I wanted to have fun. Can I go on the roundabout, Daddy? Honk, honk. I went on the honk, honk roundabout with Angel. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep. We went on lots more rides, but best of all was the carousel. When the man saw Wolly, he said, "Oh!" "He's only my toy spider," I said. And off we went. I like riding on the carousel. I like the funfair. I love Wolly. We've been together since we were wee. The piano. When I was little, I wanted to play the piano. So Mummy took me for a piano lesson. The piano lesson was in a big music school where lots of people learned music. My piano teacher was Mr. Tonka. When Mr. Tonka played his piano, he played all the notes together, very fast.
Now, do you want to learn to play the piano?
Yes, I said. So Mr. Tonka showed me all the notes.
The low note. Well done. The middle note.
This one?
Yeah. And the high note.
That one?
Yeah, that one. Well done.
I played all the notes together, like Mr. Tonka.
Okay, why don't you come back next week and we can learn about the going up notes and the going down notes.
We'll look forward to that, Mr. Tonka.
Okay. See you next week. Bye-bye.
At my next piano lesson, Mr. Tonka was in his tiny room playing one of his pianos.
How are you doing? I've written some notes on a page.
Mr. Tonka had written me some music dots. The music dots went up and down.
Let's see if we can play a scale. Now. Want to try that?
I played the notes up like the dots.
That's great. Okay.
I didn't want to play the notes one by one anymore. I played the notes all together like Mr. Tonka.
Want to take this
Next
over
time,
next week?
said Mr.
We're going
Tonka,
to learn
we'll give the notes names.
These notes.
When I went for my piano lesson again, Mr. Tonka was very excited.
Hello. Come and sit down. Look what I've been doing for you.
He had pictures for the notes. An apple, a ball, a cat.
See if you can play the apple note.
Play me the apple notes, said Mr. Tonka. I didn't want to play the apple notes. I played all the notes, like Mr. Tonka.
I've just got to go.
Mr. Tonka left.
Tick, you have to listen to what Mr. Tonka asks you to do.
I know how to do the piano. No, I said. I want to play all the notes together. I played some more, but the notes didn't sound quite right.
Hey, Tig. Whee! It might be fun playing all the notes together, but some notes don't sound nice together. Some notes sound better by themselves. If you play each note by itself, you can play a tune. Half a pound of tuppenny rice, half a pound of treacle. When Mr. Tonka plays the piano, it might look like he's playing all the notes, but Mr. Tonka plays only the notes he needs. Mr. Tonka listened to his teacher and learnt what notes to play. Go for it, Tig! Whee! Listen to Mr. Tonka and learn how to play the piano.
Yes, I thought. I want to learn to play the piano. So I'll listen to Mr. Tonka and do what he tells me. When Mr. Tonka came back, he told me how to play a tune. We played the tune together.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Boing! Ah! Hello, your toy spider. I like Mr. Tonka teaching me. I like going to my piano lessons. I love Wolly. We've been together since we were wee. The mountain.
See that? That big tall...
When I was little, Daddy told me a story about how he climbed a mountain. He and Granny took sandwiches. I want to climb the mountain, I said. It's a long way to the top, said Daddy. We could take sandwiches, I said. Maybe, said Daddy.
Big tall mountain.
So one day, Daddy took me to climb the mountain. We drove the car round a big lake. We stopped at the bottom of the mountain.
And sandwiches for when we get to the top. All wrapped up.
Willie came too.
We're going up the mountain.
Are you ready, Tig? Ready, I said, and off we went to climb the mountain.
You excited?
The mountain was very tall. The mountain was very steep. Up and up we climbed. I liked climbing the mountain. When we looked down the mountain, the big lake didn't look big anymore. Can I have a sandwich? I said. Not yet, said Daddy. We'll have them at the top. Just one, I said. Okay, wipe your hands.
Tomato, okay.
I like the tomato sandwiches best.
There you go, just one sandwich, okay?
Up the mountain we climbed again. The mountain was very steep. The mountain was very tall. Up and up we went. I like climbing the mountain, but I was tired.
What do you want?
When we looked down the mountain, the big lake was small. Can I have another sandwich? Tig, there'll be none left. Please, I said.
Just one.
I ate another tomato sandwich. I loved the tomato sandwiches. Up the mountain we climbed again. The mountain was very steep. The mountain was very tall. Up and up we went. I didn't like climbing the mountain anymore. I was very tired. Can I have another sandwich?
Another sandwich, but look, the top.
There's the top of the mountain, said Daddy. Just one last climb and we'll be there. Please.
This is the last tomato sandwich, okay?
I ate the last tomato sandwich.
And then we can go to the top.
Come on, said Daddy.
Let's go. What?
No, I said. No more tomato sandwiches. I want to go home.
Okay, I'll have my egg sandwiches and then we can go home.
I was so tired.
Hey, Tig, look how far you've climbed. You have come all that long way, so you feel tired. But when you get to the top of the mountain, you'll feel something else. You feel so happy, so pleased, and so proud at standing on the top of the world. Wahey! And Tig, you're nearly there. Look! One more step and another 1, 2. One more step and another 3, 4. One more step and you're nearly there. One more step and there's not many more. Go for it, Tig. It feels great to finish what you started.
Yes, I thought. I want to finish what I started.
Come on then.
I want to go to the top.
Up this hill.
The mountain was very steep. The mountain was very tall. But then we got to the top. I felt so happy. We could see the sea and the castle and all the big city. When a lady saw Wolly, she got afraid.
It's only a toy spider.
I like climbing mountains. I like climbing to the top. And I love Wolly. We've been scared since we were wee. First day. When I was little, I loved going to my nursery school. Wolly liked my nursery school too. At my nursery school, I had my own place to put my coat. My nursery teacher is called Claire. I like Claire. Sometimes I play by myself. Sometimes I play with the other children. Sometimes I'm so busy playing that I have to give Wolly to my teacher, Claire. Claire always puts Wolly somewhere where he can watch me playing on the messy table. Doing my writing. Playing with the sand. Having fun with water. One day, a new little boy came to my nursery.
Everybody, this is Rufus.
Claire told us the new boy's name was Rufus. Rufus didn't seem very happy. Rufus didn't want to play. Claire gave Rufus some toys. Rufus just looked. When we went out to play, Rufus stayed inside. At story time, Rufus sat by himself. He didn't want to sit with me.
There once was a fluffy yellow chick called Charlie.
Claire told us the story of Charlie Chick.
Charlie loved his mummy, and he loved cuddling up underneath her warm, feathery tummy.
I like the bit when Charlie Chick is frightened of the outside world till he hears the chirps of the other chicks. We all chirp like Charlie. Rufus seems sad. Rufus made me sad. I'm cross too. What was wrong with Rufus?
Hey Tig, there's nothing wrong with Rufus. He doesn't mean to make you sad and cross. Rufus feels just like Charlie Chick. Chirp, chirp. Rufus has left the nice warm feathers of his home and come out to a new strange place. Now you know all the other children, but Rufus doesn't. You know the games, but Rufus doesn't. You know Miss Claire, but Rufus doesn't. Rufus feels lonely and Rufus feels sad. When you first came to nursery school, you had me. So if Rufus had me to help him for his first day, maybe he'd feel happier. Hey Tig, would make you feel happier too. Go for it.
Yes, I thought. I'll give Rufus Wolly for the day. Rufus liked Wolly. And we went outside to play together. The next day, Rufus came to the nursery with a teddy called Ed. Rufus was happy with Ed. When Ed saw Wolly, he was scared. It's only my toy spider, I said. Rufus likes nursery school now. I love Wolly. We've been scared since we were wee. Fire alarm. When I was little, something exciting happened at my nursery school. It was nearly break time. I was helping Miss Claire. Wolly helped too. There was a loud noise.
Come on, everyone, it's the fire alarm. Come on.
Claire said it was the fire alarm.
Come on, everyone, well done.
I didn't like the horrid noise.
Come on.
It hurt my ears. Come along. We all need to leave, said Claire. Good, I thought. Away from the nasty noise. Claire made sure we were all safe outside together. Bee-ba, bee-ba. A fire engine came round the corner. I liked the fire engine. The firefighters jumped out. They ran into the nursery. The firefighters wore hats. Don't worry, said Claire. The firefighters are just checking to see if there's a fire.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, nothing to worry about. We checked.
Firefighter said, no fire, no worries. The firefighters didn't have a fire to put out. They showed us their fire engine.
There you go.
I like the firefighters.
That's it. There you go.
Wave bye-bye to the firefighters. Bye-bye, firefighters. There, wasn't that exciting? Said Claire.
Come on.
When we went back inside, everything looked just the same. We had our break. After break, I didn't want a story. I didn't want to hear that nasty noise again.
Yeah? Let's go.
I asked Claire if I could go home. I didn't like the fire alarm.
Hey Tig, fire alarms may sound scary, but fire alarms have to be loud so that everyone can hear them. Whee! They They make all sorts of funny noises too. Dring! Woo, 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 woo! Beep, 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 beep. But fire alarms aren't there to worry us. They're there to make us safe. When the fire alarm sounds, it tells us to leave the building because there might be a fire. It also tells us it's working properly. Hooray! But hey, they don't go off that much. Dring! But when they do go off, we all have to leave the nursery together. So nothing to worry about. If the fire alarm sounds, you know what to do. Listen to that, Tig. More funny noises. Someone's playing fire engines. Whee! Go and have fun.
Yes, I thought. Nothing to worry about. I want to play fire engines too. Beep-ba, beep-ba. You ran about being fire engines. Beep-ba, beep-ba. My fire engine was going so fast that Wolly flew off in the air.
It's only a toy spider.
I don't mind fire alarms. I like fire engines. I love Wolly.